For cold and cough, in Ayurveda we use herbs which boost our immunity, which has antiviral properties and which fights with respiratory disorder. In cold and cough, viruses attack on our respiratory system and due to our weak immunity, they make us sick. Most important is that stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids. It helps in fast recovery and loosens the mucus of nose and relieve congestion. We are telling you about an old Indian Ayurvedic recipe which will give relief from cold and cough. In these we use basil leaves, ginger, black peppers, cloves, lemon and honey. Basil have vitamin A, C and zinc. These have antibacterial properties and fights with respiratory disorder. Basil leaves are very good for immunity boost. In these we use ginger which have antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. It increases our immunity and fights with infection. Black pepper is a mild antibiotic. These stimulate mucus flow, open nose and give relief to throat. Clove have anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibacterial properties. These alleviate the pain of persistent coughing. Lemon and honey are antibacterial and immunity increaser. Honey relieves from chest congestion by loosening thick mucus and to cough it out. Ingredients: basil leaves 5 to 6 pieces, ginger 1 small piece, black pepper 3 to 4 pieces, cloves 5 to 6 pieces, lemon 1 piece, honey 1 teaspoon and black salt according to taste. Recipe: grind black pepper, cloves and ginger by pastel. Take 1 glass water in pan. Add grinded black pepper, cloves and ginger. Add basil leaves in this. Boil it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now add honey. After 2 minutes, filter it in glass. Add lemon juice and black salt in this. Drink this hot drink 2 times in a day. This is free from side effects.